Is that your new toy? Are you really good at that already? Yeah. Get it, little man. Is it good? Gotta get the next layer. Yeah, get it from the other side. Oh, there they are. He says, I just want to get the pieces. Get them. You're just having more fun playing with it. You're not even hungry anymore after all that birthday cake and treats and... Yeah. Are you pretending the camera's not here? Hey. Hi, handsome. Are you super handsome? Did you have a good birthday? You just love that. Oh, yes. So much fun. See, we're not even hungry anymore, but we're just having fun making all the pieces go. Huh? Yeah.